We've gone from kicking to dancing at Wofford, from rooftop meals in New York City to the back and forth of South Carolina, from the lush green trails and mountaintops of North Carolina's Appalachian Mountains to the mysterious and magical side streets of Paris. But amongst these changes, two things have stayed constant: our love for each other and God's love for us. Where else will this grand adventure take us? I'm so excited to find out.
Dear Samuel, the only way I know how to start this letter is with two simple yet sincere statements. One, thank you, and two, I love you always.
I've lived in the best movie that's ever been made. I put it on pause, I've rewound it, I've fast forwarded it. And through those memories, the emotions that I have felt have just overwhelmed me, as you can see at this moment.
If anyone has had the pleasure or the privilege of knowing Rachel even for a minute, there are qualities to her that are so obvious. Qualities that have distinguished her even when she was 15 from the rest of us. They're how thoughtful she is. She is considerate of literally everyone. It's part of that selfless quality that she just has.
Oh, we are very proud of you, Rachel, and especially your heart, your spirit, and your faith. You have always followed your heart, and now your heart has led you to sing.
Are you okay?
No, I'm not. Sam, you are a gift to our family. We couldn't have dreamed of a better person of faith for our daughter to have, both as a friend and a beloved. You have a heart of gold.
Although most children have more angst and misery in middle school and early high school, Samuel threw himself into vigorous, determined exercise and Mandarin Chinese. Now, having known little Samuel, I'm not sure which of those things astounded us more, but they have served him quite well through life. And although Samuel's fortunes and his disposition had happily greatly improved, his life was not complete. So when he finally admitted that he was dating someone regularly, we were interested. And when he let it slip that they met at Taekwondo, we were definitely intrigued.
My name is Anna Mintz. I am Rachel's maid of honor and friend for more than 10 years now. And when I met Sam for the first time, it was actually on a phone call. He was just about to start that grad program. We chatted for maybe 20 minutes. He was so thankful for the impaired wisdom that I may have imparted upon that day. And we hung up. I was in my childhood bedroom, so my mom barged in, because moms do that at 23, they don't care. And she said, "Were you talking to a boy on the phone?" And I said, no, not mine this time. It was Rachel Ann's boyfriend. And she said, "Oh, wow, that's Rachel Ann." I said, "He sounds wonderful. He actually sounds a lot like Rachel." And I'll never forget, my mom says this all the time in a different language, so forgive me if the translation's off, but she said, well, of course he's wonderful. Rachel's wonderful. You get what you are. That's when it hit me. It stuck with me that entire time because this is not a surprise. You two are as destined to be together as any two people I've ever met in my life. You are immensely perfect for one another.
You are humble and full of forgiveness. You are generous. You are patient. Truly filled with the gifts of the Holy Spirit. I will love you always for all these reasons and for much more powerful reasons that were laid down on the cross.
I see who you are, your heart and your soul, and I can't help but feel so excited for the rest of my life and feel truly blessed.
Rachel Ann, from the depths of my heart, there are no words that I can say that can begin to express how much Mom and I love, cherish, and treasure you. You will always be our princess.
Hey everyone, I'm Phil. I'm Sam's college friend, and it's such a blessing to be here today. So tonight, I'm gonna share a funny story between me and Sam. Yeah. So 我们是通过我们的一个好朋友 Even 认识的。记得我们第一次吃饭的时候是在 JJT House， 我们三个一起吃午饭，然后 Sam 是很酷的男孩，然后我们就成了好哥们儿。Is it funny, guys?
I couldn't be prouder to have Samuel as a brother or Rachel as a new sister-in-law. And I believe, fate brought you two together and had a hand in that. And, I wish you two a very long and happy life together.
I think I can speak for everyone, including myself, that we cannot be more proud and happy for both of y'all. We can't wait to see the future of you two and can't wait to see both of y'all grow as a couple and as individuals.
All that's around us now. And I haven't felt like this for a long, long time. You've got me running in circles. I don't ever want to slow down. Just keep going round, going round. You've got me running in circles. I can't keep both feet on the ground. Let's just keep spinning, spinning, spinning. Just keep going.